stuff.
It's just a circus. You ain't seen nothing till you're down there. Alright, well, thank you guys. Thank you so much. You guys are awesome.
Let's look at this. Yeah, wow. Okay, so where'd this come from? Look at this. You have this. This is, look at the way this is on here. Look at the way this is on here.
Yeah,
This is something else. Here's, what the heck? Oh my gosh, look at this. There's another little branch here.
Oh wow,
And it is crammed in. That's crammed. I can't even get it out. It's crammed in. Wow. And then you got this here. Look at this. This is, come here. Tuning fork. Look at this.
Oh yeah.
You got a little trident here, and then you have this. There, it is an impression. Right there. I'm trying to see if I can get myself in the eye. I'm going to come up over here too, just in case.
Look at this. If that's an impressionist. There's another one.
What is it?
Look how big this hole is.
Oh yeah, that's something. That is. Yeah, that's a hole right there. But it could be an impression. But I was wondering about
Look
this.
over there.
Where?
In here.
Oh yeah.
And there, right there.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, right here. That's an impression or something right there. Oh, I learned something about vines. Let me look. They said that vines, I read somewhere on the Facebook, that some vines are connected to the trees with roots. You can tell if they're pulled. Look at this. All in between. Look at the little X here. Look at this. That's kind of on there, but it goes up around in here. Like that. By what? By who? Where are they? Let's find them. Yeah, you got a little X right there. Look at this. Fresh little break here. Look, bump, bump. I don't know how wind would get in here. This little area. You see this?
Look at this.
Look at that. Yeah, see that little break right there is way up here. Like that. Twisted. And then, look. You see this one? Break, break, break. And this, look at this one. Boom, boom.
Look at that one hanging.
Yeah. Oh, wow, there's another little decoration. Oh, yeah, look how it's wedged in there. It's interesting. We got a Bob White and we got Amanda whistling back and forth to each other. That looks like could be an impression right there. The leaves. This is the game trail right here. Yeah, it's briars. I'm not going in. Forget it. It's all full of briars. But that's a log, yeah. In there. It goes way back there. Man, I wish there wasn't so many briars. I'd get in there, boy. Got our meter. Oh my gosh, that was a big old spike. 400 and something, 207.
Isn't that interesting? Because this is where the animals were.
Yeah, that's funny.
I was thinking too. You should see what feeling we get. Oh, see, look at all this cover.
Oh, it's beautiful in there. Oh my goodness, gosh. I would love to find an opening and get in that area and sit. We're talking to the owls. Talking to the owls. Walking in here a little bit. See what we can see. See how beautiful it is. Oh man. There we go.
The same size?
Yeah, that is the same size.
This is where we should be sitting.
Oh, let's go in there. Want to go in there?
Yeah, it's like a magical forest hidden. This is amazing.
Oh, this is beautiful in here. Yeah, sure. Man. Oh, yeah. Look at this. Got a big spike. 107, 150, 80. Going to 330, now it's lower. Let's see what happens. Staying on the low side. Had a couple high spikes. Look at that. I don't know if this camera does us any justice. That is beautiful. Oh my God. They're just unbelievable. I needed this walk today. I really did. Look at this. My goodness. Oh, look at that big black spot back there.
Oh, yeah.
Let's see. That's pretty. Palm from probably the back of the palm. Man. Yeah, these trees are beautiful. Look at that.
Oh, gosh, look at this one right here.
I know.
That's
They gotta be millions of years old.
massive.
Oh, here's this nice stuff. Oh man, look.
I can almost see this is face.
Oh
The dryad.
yeah.
Nose in the mouth.
Yeah.
Dryad friend.
Oh yeah, right there.
We want to find our Bigfoot friend, dryad. Thank you. Thank you, tree spirit.
Wow.
Bless you.
Here's a log we can sit on.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Look at that tree.
Is that water there?
Where? I don't know. I've never been that far. I've never been in here. This is how it is over in the other spot I was telling you about. Just like this.
That's how it is through the Indian Lake. It goes like this. Like it's just my comfort place.
Ooh, that was a nice little breeze.
Oh yeah.
Oh, look at how smooth this is. Now look, this is smooth. Like something's been sitting on it.
Yeah,
It's smooth. It's smooth. Whee! Oh man, you must be out there. We're getting a big singing. And I'm getting real dizzy right here. These beautiful trees.
Look at this granddaddy oak, girl.
I know, right? Let me look at this one. Oh, wow. It's unbelievable. I need to see these beautiful trees. I mean, that's just a beautiful tree. One day. That way one day. But this way, I know there's this is like a marsh up here.
You got mounds right there, Jeffrey.
Oh yeah. See, that's why you need that scanner. Look at that. Oh, look at that tree over there. Man, oh man. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at this. What is that? That's crazy. Oh, look at this. Oh yeah. Major. Oh my God, it is. Oh boy.
And look at that, there's a mound.
Oh boy, oh boy. Look around, look around.
Who's here with us?
Something is.
Yeah, keep making the
Man,
meter
oh
go
man. Look at that.
It is zinging all the way. That's our friends. Our friends do that.
Oh my
Hi
gosh.
guys.
The energy here, you can feel it.
Unbelievable.
There's a big dark spot back there. I want to walk back there and make you see what that is. Wow, look at this. Wow. Oh man. It's singing. It's totally singing. God, I gotta get some pictures. You never know what you're gonna be missing.
Girl, this energy is incredible. can't believe it's singing like this.
I can't either.
It's unbelievable.
It's singing, man. Okay, come up here. I'll show you some. Wow. Listen, now it just went, now it's just gone down. Whatever it was just passed us. Whatever it was just passed.
See that mound over there?
Oh, yeah. I gotta get some pictures. You never know what they're gonna be missing.
Girl, this energy is incredible. I can't believe it's singing like this.
I can't either.
It's unbelievable.
Singing, man. Okay, come up here. I'll show you some.
These trees
Wow.
are so beautiful.
Listen, now it just went, now it's just gone down. Whatever it was just passed us. We just came across some eggshells. We show you here. See, they're just eggshells, and I believe I want to say snake or turtle. I'm thinking. See, snake eggs are leathery, and this kind of feels leathery to me, but it could be snakes, could be a turtle,
Could be a gator.
or maybe even a gator. But yeah, those are shells from an animal. This is beautiful here.
Oh my God.
This is really
I
a place we're going to have to come back to. Here, I'll take my sticks.
want to go up here on these hills.
Yeah, man. Look at this. Man, that's beautiful.
What's the meter doing?
Oh, that was a frog. Meter? Is it 160, 72? We had a big spike back there. There's a huge tree around the corner, I think, if it's still up. But look at this. Wouldn't you love to have a little fishing pole? Now see that stick right there over there? See that stick? That could be for a poop drop. You know, they get in there and they poop in there and they stir it up, and there's their stick. And you'll see sticks. James taught me that. They're spotting the algae over there. Probably a big old gator in there. Be careful. Oh, there it is. I see a tail.
Where?
Right there.
I was trying to...
Is that, or no, that's not a tail. No. I thought it was, but it's just moss. Wow, check this covering out right here in front of us.
Yeah. It's a nice
And look how
one.
smashed down it is.
It's a nice one.
Yeah. Look at that, man. It's all smashed down right there. And that's a nice covering right there. Wow, that's neat. Here, we might have found an egg. Yep, that's an egg. That's a little egg. This is too hard to be a snake egg. I mean, it's just too hard. Yeah, a snake egg is too hard. So I don't know what's in here. But I don't think it's valid anymore because it wasn't in the dirt and it's cold. So,
Now we found two.
look at this. Isn't it? Where do you want to go? To that,
That golden stone.
yeah, we can get there. Somehow, we'll get there. That's a big hole, man. Straight in there. Wonder what's in there. Man. This meter is going crazy. We're in a spot. We're over there. I see that. See, I don't know. I don't hear it.
You don't hear that?
No, I don't hear it. See that black spot over there? I guess you can't see it. It's too far. But we're standing here, and it is zinging, and Amanda's hearing stuff, and it is going crazy here. It is going crazy. Something could actually be living in that. Look at that, how big it is. Man, it's zinging here. It is. Can you smell it? I know we're in a marshy area. Aw, I think I see red flowers back there. Yeah. Right there, you see them by the...
Oh, yeah.
Look at this tree. The meter is going off.
Is that a squad sitting on the
I
log?
don't know, but the meter's zinging off the...
And this is right where we found the egg.
Something is going on here. I don't know where. I don't know where. Look at that. It's killing my battery. My battery's about dead. It's totally going off here. Like, majorly. I can't seem to get it in the IR either. Oh wow, look at that. Look. I think, what is that? It's an antler. It's an antler. It's a little buck. It's a little antler. Wow. That is very cool. Wow. I think it's probably the first one we ever found. Okay, antler, eggs.
Feathers.
Feathers.
What do you mean?
We gotta look it up. Gator or a bullfrog.
I can't believe that.
I'm proud about that. Good for you. Found that antler. That is so nice. You're spiking in this area. Probably being watched by some forest creature. Now see, down there is the campground. Possible ground glass here in the middle of the road. And there's no other ground glass or trees above us. So that was neat. And we did have our meter spiking around here. Finding things day for Amanda. Look at this. Beautiful feather that she found. She found 2 feathers, an antler, and an egg that's not hatched, and eggs that were hatched. Good day for you today, girlie.